attention TV so ye nam social media so nsem akoso de na watwe de enua ba na McBrown nsem na eda power so obia de ato na no say chewing gum a wo wibi hey obia se say ena na McBrown ejani kru ena wakotira efiki tuamu ena na oja afika sie nim mesre ofa ne bag bo bi ho se onya afiki tuamu koye na ya fire bag ya kwa ekura ne so eno so eni hwen na wari jan kwa tum say neat hote ofa ne bag a onim ba bi a woko nti obia akabi na we na McBrown Saturday onua show so ono abetufo ese mistake bi o yesusu a ye na nne amwaye onu sanko nim se nyankopon obo soro gba asase ye be peda ne sei ama sese o namba bi a na nkola akora gebo ne so pa aka sabe mpena bi wo ha ontwe sabe abrabo bi wo ha ommo misre o kansa o se anka mpena bi wo ha anka nne sa mpena no enne onim se nyambe ne sa empre bi wo ontwe aka niema bi a esisi na kwan ma yetu ne fo wanti nyina onim se nyame be ni se ya anka sa niema no anka wa ye nti otu obi afu se youth no tesi awo ho e wo so otutu niema na nyakopon timi pege obi a mistake ono na McBrown aye no obi a menye bi na ya mami Agradaa say esu hey sister ona o ka say ena de be gwa ni kill no se mi be ja say eyi so for Asiamah ye bi say ona obi aka hey enne e ma Agradaa e de na McBrown asem ya be gina so say enne ono so de date abetu dwa date o de be boale eye pastor Asiamah junior pastor wona asoro a se se ade ona na twempra na emu odin pa te se anu o hyiye pa na o se wo ye be ma na se wa ware oba ana se wo ye oba ukunu wo ho na da bia wo oba no de wo show ring be ma de want to no ayi da ho want to one she na want to no ayi da ho a hey se wo be ma no misre oba monitor no na hwe ne ye na edo no wudi nyina eye fake na sabe almost celebrities no omo do ye cool omo ye calm omo ye heja wa bonten na so ba inside omo brep omo da from be ma no etieti omo so na che say na ma efutu na che say otunu bi yanko Agradaa enkotie emrasese a
I can't wait the wedding day. The wedding day is April. This April. Yes, this April. Everything will be settled. Also, my catcher will say, it's a wedding day in Maya. Nakawane me share me. We can be as a marriage couples. And I can't sit there for 2 months, 3 months without sex, okay? So I have to do it faster so that I will be free to have sex with my one and only husband, which I love and I will love him forever. And he too will love me and love me forever. We understand each other. What I say? There be a me catch you say, "Oh, your banner kofa bema na only bema. Oh, the camera to bema so, na se bema ni yi na ni to nchenya. Me hunu be paying, me hunu be paying. Immediately, you have to run for your life. I'm telling you the facts. Give advice to my sister McBrown. What I say? Se bema nu ntimi nyinanim. Me catch you praying fa. Se bema ni ntimi nyi wani mu ni wu nye video. Wiase hu se mi kunu nie, me yiri nie, no ka kira wo se. Ompe camera, me se wo boa o tom, ne mpranti no ompe camera no. Edwamanti no ompe camera no. Ashawenti no ompe camera no. Tu a wo bonti no ompe camera no. Wo nsem a waka kire ne mpra sai a wase wa kire ne mpna wagu wanimu ase a kire ne mpna no ofere sa oba ne be hu say oni wuye video because oba ne be ka say na be ma wu no wo se wo yira ye say wo yiri treat you bad wo yira ye say omo ko so omo ko chan tro hwe mama ka say me tro sa wo pe oba o or you're so lovely and caring to his husband and celebrities. Because a reason you know say ukununi. So you are always afraid to divorce. So you always do anything for your husband to be happy and come out to the camera for people to see your husband happy. That's a McBrown kuna confirm na oba na omode ne be kire ne mukura de na masori kura de nani like nani so wade because we show oba na e de ne compare McBrown wa e kire say maswell onimukurom. Ye wo binimo mu ye nkurasefo typical nkurasefo ye de oba bejiro no ye so oba we nani wukunu twempo na sister wan hwe ye wudu ti be kwa akohwe dua mu oba jonki abodamfo nkurasefo ena wukunu be kwa akofa wo mo hwe oba bia wo ye very loud oba bia nani ade no onfa nko ne relationship mu when it comes to relationship a man yeni adin yet sound kwalao. Me said there was a time Pastor Eric. So when we say you abrosan kesiye and ye way a master bedroom and obia sa one singing room at least one tadia no mpaboa no niema bewo ho o bags bewo ho na edrenumra. Then the two of you will get to the bedroom, then you sleep together. Abusia me say Drew baby Pastor Eric timi tro kobo ono Diana no timi tro don't disturb me for 7 days. I'm telling you the facts. As my making God is my witness. He wrote, I don't want any disturb for 7 days. Now sure ba me mabo me bra ne manya me sika ne makofa be ma sa me kwa akobua no. Na be metimi abetwura bone dan say no disturb for 7 days. Na me twam o me kunu dan ya no mintimi mokokoko. Me twam o me kunu dan ya no mintimi friend hello honey. Me you can't call him on phone. Osho was it no disturb for 7 days. 7 days na no disturb no so onene mpnafo na eji wo money.
Nano na Agradaa si onwie ye aware mu nsam no na nsenya ono Pastor Eric Odro Cranton or ye no maybe I know they will show no red card. Oh, ni new boyfriend awokonya no Asiamah. Na Agradaa sane a church nsem wo ha oni Asiamah. Na na sane Asiamah so romantic sa.
Emma wan ye very sensitive. Ye wo baby ani ade a odi drop Emma especially. Se Emma woni wo yire. Won kamutia boom. Na mo ware. Na my wedding, like my engagement. Na busua nyina nim na wo ba wo show kawa. Na wo kawe mi a na won sete. Na ware nti untimi nyi kawa ni free wonsa. Na be man ring e hye no. Wo wale wo be man na be man ntimi hye na wedding ring a me say be man for. Jana chiri o. Me can pray and na me die. Bema me no be worry. Ada me so wedding ring gensho no. Dana me don't say bema o. Because me say I am not going to sit down for any man to manipulate me or to disturb my happiness. Abusuafo me say woni wukuna ye wedding engagement na wo ba no shekawa. Na wukunu se kawa no onhye bia bema no mesi twa so na wodobia woni wudi bia no eye fake love oboa adenti no no ntimi nche na wedding ring wiase nyina opie baabia obi anwo se wo ye marriage man wo de wo ye marriage man kura na betwe mpra me mfa me ho shekawa no na kwotwe wo mpra wo twempra no ana wo da oba no so na wudi no anya bia wani bebo okawa so wo yam be show amwo who say I have left my wife home or says Yama you here. Oh, he will not do that. He will not do that from the day we met. Me promise ring a shame or also dear shen onyida there was a time na Ojari we now or ye no minimum de ko buy no yin ring to home say. Hey, that day abusia for mama cast this in binchiremo. Na me kru yin wedding ring to her, Mr. Asiamah yin wedding ring to her. Na fe die Hey, because a papa in one papa did Dimrika. And I must say, hey, no, didn't say, see me, no, didn't say, see me. And I must say, what is the problem? Send you if you are run a count one, no, Sabreka one or two, and never run. And to all Jareno, and a chrono, and Malaka one ye toy, and to all Jareno fine or run or the toe. A year a jacuzzi or see one wino, or the torso. To a Jarry, you know. Send any referee ring, you know, and oh, see free a bath a yin so. Abusia, and no, I'm talking by experience. And oh, ye free or see free jacuzzi in so. I fed your papa, you quite sorry, or dick I answer, maba. I fed your papa, you quite sorry, what my mammy peg, because every day he's going to church. He give me a kiss before he leave the house. I fed your papa, my mammy kiss. Hey. Me yamoje me pine, me say baby, what is the problem? Search us and a kawan channel.
Obatampa Travel and Tour Express Consultancy for the so massive, most soon for a queen to McBrown.